Hello, everybody. Last lecture we saw something about interstellar and what kind of things, what is Earth, space, and other things. Okay. Today I'm going to literally show you what is an Earth, what is a sun, what is a star, and things like that. The ground that we live in, like this, is called Earth. Okay. Say this is Earth. Okay. This is Earth. Okay, now if you see that, these are called clouds. Okay, these are called clouds. These are called cumulonimbus clouds. Nimbus means water bearing. Okay, so water bearing clouds are called nimbus clouds. Okay, so you have clouds everywhere. If you see here, you have clouds everywhere and things like that. Okay, so these are the rock formations which come to earth. Okay, these are the rock formations which come to earth. Okay, now if you go into the sky and you go beyond deep into the sky, you can see some of the stars. Right now it is cloudy, so you cannot see some of the stars. Now if you want to see the sun setting, so you see the sun setting there, it's got a bright light there. Okay, so that is where the sun is right now. So it is already set. Okay, why it is set already? It is gone from east to west or west to east or something like that, and it is set. Okay, so the sun is what is called a star. Okay, one of the stars, because it is a close by tube light kind of thing. It's a close by kind of light, it is bright. Okay, other things are not that bright. Okay, now we understand that. Now what happens is, now if you still go further, say you have a light there. Okay, so you can see some of the lights there. So that is how far the light is. Okay, so that is something like a star kind of thing. Okay, now if you take the entire solar system, the sun is about this size. Okay, the sun is about this size. Okay, if you see the comparative study. Okay, now if we take in order to make a clear explanation, if we take the tank, that is the size of the sun. Okay, now the from the side from the sun, if you come here, so this is like a stone. Okay, okay, this is what is called an earth. Earth is the place which we live in. Okay, that is the kind of size which is there. Okay, so it is spherical. Spherical means like a football or something like that. Football, basketball, and things like that. Okay, so now we are going into other things. I am trying to find out the stars so that I can show you which side is the star. So because this is sun is setting, so this is called west. Okay, now if you want to go see east, you have to turn around and then go. This side is east actually. Okay, so if you see the tower there, the big tower, that is called an eastern tower. Okay, that is called the east tower. Okay, so once you go there, then you know that is the east. Okay, when moon comes up, it comes up on the mostly on the east side. Okay, so we can wait for the moon and see where the moon is coming, but it is cloudy today, so we cannot see all those things. Okay, some of the stars also we cannot see. Okay, now I told you what is south. Okay, I told you the sun is setting, so that is called south. So when the sun is rising, that side is called east, just the opposite side. Okay, so if you see the thing, it is just the opposite. Okay, this side is sun setting and this side is the east. Okay, where sun rises. Okay, so usually when you want to point the camera to see a kind of star, the constellations and other things, you go to the east. Okay, the first thing is you have to get the reference point as the east. Okay, now once you get the reference point as the east, then you are going to do the comparison and see where are the stars located. So first thing, you have to point to the direction of the east. Okay, then depending on rotation of the earth and other things, the stars will be distributed throughout. Okay, now to find a kind of constellation, constellation is a group of stars. Okay, group of stars. Okay, they are not galaxies or something like. It's a group of stars. Okay, constellation is part of the galaxy. Okay, part of the galaxy which are called the stars. The nearby stars are called the constellations. Okay, there are about 8 billion or 10 billion constellations. in our Milky Way. Milky Way is a kind of huge cluster of stars. Okay, so the distance, of course, is extremely huge. That is what I told you. Okay, so if you want to compare the size of the solar system, say if you see that edge, that is called the edge of the solar system. Okay, now if you want to see the sun is right here. The tank is the size of the sun, and the size of earth and moon and other things are all this size. Okay, earth, moon and other things are all this size. These are rotating around the things, and that edge is called the edge of the solar system. That is the size, actual size comparison of the entire solar system. Okay, that is how it is distributed, because the whole thing is in empty space. Empty space is, there is no air or anything like that. That is called empty space. Okay, so first you have to understand what is empty space. Now you are breathing here, so it is not empty space. So you have air here, water here and other things here. So